Hello friends, uh, in this video I'm going to talk about the books for UGC NET exam, because many comments are there, what to read and what not to read, which book is good, and most of the comments I've found in my FB page. Yes, many students are messaging me on Facebook that, sir, what should I read, and which books are best for the UGC NET exam, because many channels or many books are just misguiding. These are their own words, that they are telling that many people are misguiding them, and the books are also misguiding, because books have so many things, and some of the things are important, some of the things are not important. So what to read and what not to read for exam? So let me tell you friends that if you are reading guides, then don't be dependent on guides only. Guides are not that much useful. Let me show you some books. I have some of the important books for UGC NET English Literature exam, because I particularly preferred these books when I was preparing for my NET exam and SET exams. Because and this is the book, friend. This book you can see here, the history of English literature by William J. Long. Many times I suggested this book, and it is look at the thickness, friends. Look at the thickness, around 700 pages are there in this particular book, which has the descriptive history of English literature, not the objective. Descriptive history of English literature with the very important points, friends. So you can have this book for your preparation of British literature. For British literature, you must have this book. Okay, don't be dependent on the books which are guides only, which has only objectives. Okay, because objectives are not going to help you here for UGC NET exam. For other exams, these objectives are helpful, but for UGC NET exams, the questions are like that. It is not going to help you in any way. Okay, so you must have this book. This is the old version, old edition I have. So you will find a new cover page of this book on Amazon or anywhere else. Okay, so don't worry about the cover page, but look at the title. The title, English literature, and the writer, William J. Long is the writer, and I have given the link of this book in my description of this video. Then friends, some of the important books are also there. Along with William J. Long, if you have this book by R.S. Trivedi, okay, by R.S. Trivedi, and it is also a compendious history of English literature, and it has also a good thickness of the content. Okay, so good content is narrated in this book, and around 900 pages are there. 900 pages are there. Most of the history of English literature is narrated here, and very particularly and specifically it is narrated. Yes, friends. So you can also have this book, but don't buy both the books. You can have only one book, and I will prefer this one. Okay, it is also better, but I will prefer this one. So you can have William Long's book. Then friends, if you are preparing for UGC NET, you can also read this book of Pramod K. Nair. Yes, a short history of English literature, very easy language, in easy language, and very well narrated by Pramod Nair sir. And the timeline is described there, and the content is narrating contents are there. You can see here the contents, friends. Okay, and all the ages are described with specific words also. Nair sir also explained some of the important things, some of the important terminology. For example, allegory, he explained about allegory. You can see here. Okay, so the words like these are explained by him, and the timeline is also explained. Let me show you the timeline of each and every age. He has narrated in well manner. So you can also read out the timeline and prepare about it, okay, for the exam purpose, friends. So, and it is very, it's not that much thick book, you can have it, because all the things you are going to read from William Long's book, you will find 70% facts here in this book. Okay, this is the timeline, friends. This is the timeline you can see. Okay, and this timeline is narrating the different incidents and events in English literature, the historical events as well as the literary events. Okay, so it is very important book, and it is not much costly book. It is it can be bought in 400 rupees, and you will find the link of this book in this video. Okay, and this one very much popular book for literary criticism and the glossary of literary terms. Okay, so terminology is very important in criticism and literature. So these terms or words of literature are well narrated, well explained with examples and very simple illustrations by M.H. Abrams here in this book. You must have this book, because you will find each and every type of literary term here in this book to be well explained by the writer. Okay, so you must have this book for preparation of literature for UGC NET exam purpose. So you will also find the link of this book. And friend, one more book I bought from Amazon. It is also by Pramod K. Nair, and it is The Contemporary Literary and Cultural Theory by Pramod Nair. It is very simple book, and it has very easy language, friends. Indian English is there for the description by Nair sir, and I must say that the modern theories are well explained, friends. You will find the images of this book in Amazon, also in review section, and also in Google. But let me show you the contents. So many important points are there. Structuralism and post-structuralism deconstruction is there. Psychoanalytic criticism and feminism, Marxism, post-colonial theory, queer theory. Queer theory is very important term and important theory. Then historicism and cultural materialism, and eco-criticism. So many things are well narrated here with examples, very simple examples. So friends, you can have these books, friends, and apart from these books, I can show you some more, and these are for other units of literature, the syllabus. For research methodology, you must have research methods in English by MP Sinha. It is well narrated book by him for the research methods in English studies, yes, in literature. Then for pedagogy of English, you can have the story of English in India. Friends, I have suggested these books in my other videos also, which I uploaded before some days. So you will find the videos of these books also. So the story of English in India for pedagogy unit, and it is written by Lalita Krishnaswamy and N. Krishnaswamy. And then pedagogy of English is also there, a book by Snehlata Chaturvedi. Friends, you will find the links of all these books under the description section. Okay, the buying links, you can also buy them. You can also buy them by Amazon, from Amazon or from any other local store around you. And for cultural studies, one more book is there by Pramod K. Nair sir. If you can able to see this is the picture of that book, and it is the introduction of cultural studies by Pramod Nair. And then for criticism, for basic understanding of criticism, you can have the book by B. Prasad, An Introduction to English Criticism. Okay, so these are the important books, friends, and there is nothing beyond these books. You can have material, you can have your notes, but with the help of these books only, you can pass the exam, you can qualify in the exam. Okay, so don't be dependent on guides or any other kind of objective materials or objective books. Objective books are helpful, but not all the types of questions are there. Okay, they have questions, very simple questions they have, and very easy questions they have, which can be asked in TGT and PGT exams. But for UGC NET purpose, you must have the books which are authentic, which are very which have very the facts, real facts, okay, the historical facts, which are not narrated in any other book or any other guide, but these are only narrated in these types of books, friends. And these are the books. I must show you these books, friends. These are just sample books. I have some more books also, but these books are already explained by me in my videos. You can watch those videos also. I will provide the link. So friends, that's all for today. If you have any query or confusion, you can write in the comment box. You can also message me directly on WhatsApp. You can also follow me on Facebook. Okay, and there is one page, there is one group actually for literature learning for this UGC purpose. You can join that group on FB, okay, on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you will have so many, you will find so many videos on UGC NET purpose, and only exam oriented videos. Some of the videos will be there for explanation of different topics. Okay, it is very important. But after the explanation of those topics, I will provide you the important MCQs, expected MCQs, not like those guides. Okay, these MCQs will be like UGC NET exams MCQs. Okay, so wait for that. And I think we have around 4 to 5 months till the next exam. So start your preparation, and if you feel any kind of confusion, you can message me. And you can watch other videos, which one video is there regarding the important topics which you can prepare for UGC NET exam. So please watch that video. I will provide the link. So the topics which are very, very important, and the questions asked in exam of UGC NET are from these topics only. Okay, very important topics are these. So till then, have a good day, and best of luck for your preparation. And let me tell you one more thing, that I'm not running any kind of paid course or any kind of paid classes. Whatever I'm uploading here, it is just my hard work, nothing else. Have a good day once again, and thank you so much.